Assalamu alaikum and hello friends. In today's video I will show you how to enable high and ultimate performance. It's quite simple, just follow the video till the end. First of all, let me show you that my system only have balanced power option. For that I will open control panel, click on hardware and sound and click on power options. And as you can see, my system only have balanced power option. To enable high and ultimate power option, you have to open CMD, run it as administrator, click yes, and enter the commands which I passed. These are given in the description box as well, so you don't need to worry about that. Click on enter. And now let me open control panel again to show you that my system have enabled high performance. As you can see right there, high performance have been enabled. Now to enable ultimate performance, open CMD again and paste this command. Click enter and you must get this message. Now let me open control panel again. Click on hardware and sound and power options. And you can see that their ultimate performance have been shown up. I can click it and enable it. As you can see, it have been enabled. You should watch this video because this will help you in my coming video for the optimization of your slow system. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and like. If you have any problem, you can ask in comment section. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.